I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Wine on Ubuntu 26.04 operating system. So let's open the terminal. Now there. So here we need to use this command sudo apt install Wine. Press enter, give the password, and this here you can see installing Wine, and this is the dependencies. Total size available 58 GB and 1219 MB required. Right there Y and press enter. So this here currently this is downloading from this site, and this you can see this is downloading there. So now this is unpacking. You can see this is the progress. And now this is can successfully installed there. Let's use clear command, and if I write there y minus minus percent, so you can see wine 10% that install. I'm going to use their wine. So here if I go in this download, this here Python 3.14.4 exe file is there. So let's click on this rename, selecting this all, Control C. Now then after opening in the terminal, and if I write as this, you can see Python 3.14. And if I write, okay, let's paste this, and now including their wine. So with the help of this wine, we can install exe file of Windows. So this is currently going on here. You can see this installation wizard come there. Let's use check this install now. So this here Python 3.14.3 that is currently installing with the help of this file. Setup was successful. Let's click on this close. Here you can see command completed, and okay, let's open the terminal again. I'm going to check the version. Okay, this completed. Let's use the CLS. Okay, killer command. Now if I write this place Python minus minus version. Okay, we need to include this Python 3. So 3.14.4 that I just install. So by following this approach, we can easily install the Python or any exe file with the help of this file. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.